Out here at the truck yard right now. The homie Mathab brought us here. Look at this 350 out on H&R Springs. This thing's wild with the R-wing on the back too. Huh? That was Deepu over there who doesn't have the Terminator because his head gasket blew.
Oh, what the f? Is it gone? Nah, there's something mixed in it.
350 with the new wheels. I got a video where I'm gonna throw up rollers and stuff with these wheels. Look at how much brake dust there is from us just mobbing over here. Crazy LA in the building. And then we got Harry right over there moving the truck right now so we can swing the 350. Mathab said he got bars, so he's gonna show us his bars right now.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mathab's about to go crazy. Bro, my man's got bars. Dude, I can swing them out like when I do it, it's like wide and slow, you know? I don't know how you acted that quick to like just swing it in such a confined space. Like,
it's cool, bro. I practice on my mom's camera, you know what I'm saying? We 3D f***ing swinging this shit.
So he's running Shifteck
Midpipes, resonator delete, and that's pretty much it. I got H&R Springs on the car.
H&R Springs too.
Here, watch, I'm about to float into fourth. Watch my left leg. Downshift.
Bro. So he's teaching me right now how to float a gear. What the heck? That shit gave a loud ass just.
Yeah, practice makes perfect, bro.
Oh, oh my! Get out the way! What? This fool got driver mod at the age of 18. Insane driver mod. Dude, that was actually insane. You shift so fast, bro. People getting the shot right now, bro.
Oh, should I do it in race mode?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Anu! Bro! This dude's crazy.
Oh, really? Yeah, it's okay. Have a good day. Here's your thumbnail.
Bro, who the f are these people? It's random.
I don't know. I've literally never seen them ever.
Yeah, fucking weirdos. Those random ass people just pulled up in their Civic and did that. Weirdos,
Dude,
bro.
I was like, bro,
weirdos.
Like, I don't even know her, bro. I thought she was gonna pull up like, oh, we came to watch the show. You're driving like a idiot.
Freaking weirdos, man.
Yeah, bro, my mom's gonna see in the cameras this bitch pulling up to my yard. She's gonna be like, I'm taking your car. No more 350.
We got stunt driver Matab hopping up in the 350, about to do donuts around us both.
How much do you think it was, bro, the wrap job? How much do you think it was?
Probably like 3,000-4,000.
I got it done for $1,500 with labor.
Damn, bro. Your boy did it?
Shout out HP Raps.
HP Raps. Woo. Get ladies your number?
Yes, sir. Sick _ GT350 _ DM me your OnlyFans.
You gotta go follow this guy on IG. This guy's nuts though, dude. This is crazy. Talk about driver mod. That's so fun. Look at that. We got some nice tire caked up on the Shelby too. Woo!
Not in a garage, tuning on the go.
Hey, get this car. Look at the gay ass car in the middle. Whose is that, bro? Oh,
I don't know. I wonder.
It's whack, bro, like a pumpkin mobile.
She look like a godjitter.
Godjitter? He looks like a godjitter.
Thought wanted to show me another car that matches GT350 up in this secret special warehouse. So let's go ahead and follow this dude in there.
This is a 2016 Pepe forklift, paint to match Orange Fury. Cool start.
Oh, yup.
The engine is cold, so let it warm up. All right, that's good.
I was raised off that desi girl.
Hold on. Come forward and hold on. Bro, this shit vibrates already.
That was a good prank on Harry right there. This is Well, that brings us to the end of today's YouTube video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace.
You see a carku, call the cops, boy. AK all day, body start to drop, boy. Bamba jinya beata, sari diya streeta. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop.